Commandments help us to show the right way in our journey to heaven. Don't we see the pointers on our way? Similarly, God's commandments teach us what we must do and what we must not do in life. My dear children, let us learn them and keep them and move along the path of life. Lesson 7, Commandments, the Ways of Life. The Israelites continued their journey from Egypt to Canaan. After a long journey, they reached the desert of Sinai. Moses was their leader. God came down from Mount Sinai and called Moses up to the mount. He climbed up. Then God said, "Go down and tell the Israelites that you have seen what great wonders I have performed to save you from Egyptian slavery. You know what I have done to the Egyptians and carried you in eagle's wings to bring you to myself. Hence, if you listen to my word and keep my covenant, you will be my most beloved people among all nations." Exodus chapter 19, verse 5 to 6. Moses came down from the mountain, assembled the elders of the people, and told them whatever the Lord has commanded. Moses told this to God. After conversing with Moses, God wrote the 10 Commandments on 2 stone tablets and gave it to Moses. We call these commandments the commandments of God. They are the following. The 10 Commandments. I am the Lord your God. You shall not have strange gods before me. You shall not take the name of the Lord your God in vain. Remember to keep holy the Lord's day. Honor your father and your mother. You shall not kill. You shall not commit adultery. You shall not steal. You shall not bear false witness against your neighbor. You shall not covet your neighbor's wife. You shall not covet your neighbor's goods. These 10 commandments can be contained in 2 commandments. You shall love the Lord your God above all. You shall love your neighbor as yourself. Let us pray. God, a loving Father, who gave commandments to the Israelites, give us the grace to keep your commandments. Let us sing. God came down on Mount Sinai, made his covenant in love. Saying, you shall be my people if you keep my covenant. God the 10 commandments gave, for to guard the human race, you will reach the goal of life. If you keep these 10 commands, God's commandments are ways of life. We must obey these commandments in life. Then only we will grow in divine life. My dear children, let us see the activity for this week. Bible reading, Genesis chapter 20, verses 1 to 17. You have to read Genesis chapter 20, verses 1 to 7, and you have to write your favorite Bible sentence. You have to learn 10 commandments, recite and send the audio recording of the same to your teacher. Let us take a decision. I will ever live obeying God's commandments.